WhatsApp's new privacy policy has been all over the discussion in the last few days. The question is, should we accept the new privacy policy of WhatsApp or we should not accept this new policy? According to WhatsApp, they had set the deadline to be 8th February. So before 8th February, either you accept the new privacy policy or your account is deleted permanently. So the question is, what are the repercussions if you accept this privacy policy? How will it affect your private data? The question is, if you accept this privacy policy, your personal data and information will be shared with all the Facebook owned apps. So your data will not only be shared with Facebook, but all the apps that Facebook owns. So every app that Facebook will own will have your data with it. So these are serious concerns with regard to privacy. Now the other question is why WhatsApp is not implementing this privacy policy in Europe. Why only in India and a few more countries? The answer lies in General Data Protection Regulation. So GDPR is a regulation that is implemented in Europe. So according to this law in Europe, if any company, any private company collects data which is more than essential, it is fined. So according to this law, any company, if it collects data more than essential, by essential what they mean is more than what is required to provide the service of the app. If the data is collected more than that, then they are imposed heavy penalties. And the penalties are so heavy that in some of the cases, the fine can even amount to 4% of the annual turnover of the company. So these are extremely heavy fines that Europe imposes on stealing of private data and information. Now this is the need of the hour, that India imposes a privacy bill, a data protection bill. The data protection bill is still pending, it is yet to be passed. And this is the main reason why WhatsApp is creating this indiscrimination with regard to implementation of the privacy policy. The government has taken good step by asking WhatsApp to answer few questions as to why you are implementing this new privacy policy. The government has taken a strong stance and told WhatsApp to withdraw its new privacy policy. This is an extreme good step by the government to tell WhatsApp that we do not want this new privacy policy to be implemented and you should withdraw it back with immediate effect. February 8th, which was decided as the date to implement the new privacy policy or else your account will be deleted permanently, has now been cancelled. So WhatsApp has postponed this date. And this is extremely necessary. This is extremely crucial in order to protect your private data.